Look, guys, I found Norm's house.
Fine.
Careful, Jordan.
I know. When I get scared, when I get scared, wow.
Some graffiti in here.
How did someone draw all that?
Watch your feet. Watch your feet. Watch
Yeah,
your
nails.
Nails?
Hey, Mom.
There's nails and glass everywhere. Mom, be careful.
I will.
There's nails and glass. You barely can even see the nails. And how did they draw all that?
Oh, it's called graffiti, Jordan.
What's graffiti?
Oh, damn. Did I leave my knife in the car? Damn it.
Why?
I was gonna carve my name.
Well, should they go
Oh.
along with the path?
Man, that's hard.
Should they go?
Well, 3 minutes.
That's hard.
Is it?
You want me to let him?
Yeah?
Sure.
This thing's a little bit sharp.
Yeah, I know.
You cut yourself. It is not my fault.
Yeah, I know.
You do not cry.
I don't.
Be careful.
Why don't you put your phone away and use both hands?
Guys,
This is video recorded.
No, he's not. He's recording the goddamn fucking floor.
The floor doesn't matter.
Watch my
glass over it.
Oh, don't worry. I'm not gonna hit your name.
Video evidence. Video evidence of
Vandalizing.
vandalism, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's not really vandalism when the whole house is.
Yeah, but if somebody's building it, they can sue everybody that put their name on this.
Oh, cool. Like they're gonna do that. I swear, this isn't worth a lot anymore.
A fleet is ran past my eye.
Yeah.
Take your hands out of your pockets, Jordan.
Yeah, in case you fall. We don't want you to push you yet. Whoa.
Okay, so it's gonna get steeper here, okay?
Yeah, I
Wait
bet
for
it
me
is.
once you get to the bottom.
Wow.
See what Josh is doing?
Yep.
This is sometimes a little scary for me.
Okay, right here. Right here.
Oh, stop. Patience here. Come on.
There.
Down here instead of your bum. Take my hand.
This is awesome.
The thing is,
Jordan, is this cool?
did you get the glass cut, Liam?
No, I didn't. I'm not getting cut by glass today. Hopefully.
Stay right there. Liam, stay right there. I want to take a picture of you.
Yeah, sure. I'm recording, yeah. It's gonna go on my YouTube channel.
Don't put me in like that. Okay. Good job.
That's fine.
Liam.
Mom, you don't look.
Liam.
You only look half like a soccer mom.
Liam, I think you have a little friend.
What?
Come in.
We're going over here.
No, that's harder. I have no grip on my shoes, so that's wet and I'll slide.
I have a long
This is awesome.
Howdy.
That's sick. I love that. Yeah, one second, guys. Ah, shit. Hey, can I go over here? Yep. Jordan, well, I need you to get out of the way so I can cross, right? This is beautiful.
There's the waterfall.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, that looks sick. That looks like Coca-Cola or Pepsi.
Okay, I'm gonna stand back here and let you get pictures of you guys.
Now let's just look at that for a minute.
Look at Mom.
You ever wonder how it's an infinite loop of water?
Stay right there. Jordan.
Okay, one thing, guys.
Wow.
Yep, there's a little thing to make sure people don't go past here. This would be a perfect place
You
to.
like shot me in line? I can just go down there if I want.
Okay, keep going.
Okay. So. This is nice. Oh, look right here.
Oh,
Look right there, Mom.
it's rock solid, guys.
That looks amazing. Look at right here. See it right here.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Oh, little pupper.
You watch your vertigo.
Yeah, I know. Whoa. Yeah, guys, I'm past the thing. I went past the thing because, honestly, I want to get a better angle.
You can't stop in the middle, Abby. I'm too heavy to stop.
Think of how many people have touched this.
Oh!
Coronavirus all over the place.
What?
Coronavirus all over that, probably.
Whoa!
If you're worried about the crayon virus, you should have stayed in the van.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I guess I'm heading to. Kidding. Jordan, you stuck?
Hold on to the rope, Jordan.
Yeah.
Both hands, buddy.
All you need to do is go. Something there.
Put your foot down.
Face!
It's fine, Jordan.
Face!
Hang on to that rope.
The fair!
Hold up.
Don't mind. It was going really quick.
Hold my hand.
Why do you think I said hang on to the rope, boy?
And everyone. Slow.
Going steady.
Slow. Thank you, Abby.
Whoa. Yeah, I almost fell.
Oh, I found the big boat rope they were talking about.
Did ya?
Yeah, but no.
This is a nice view right here, guys. Liam, did you see this view?
Yeah, I know. I seen it. This would be a nice fishing place if there was fish. There's no fish.
Mom.
Yeah, it's weird over here. You can see it really good.
By now, most of you probably stopped watching, but somebody made a fire here. But for those who kept watching, then thanks. Is that Mickey Mouse? Oh. Jordan, where are you going?
I'm going to Speedway.
Oh, look. There's a nice little place right there.
Guys!
Boom, boom, boom. Does it scare ya?
No. Guys, we could go down here and read the waters.
That is nice.
Yeah. We could just go down there and read the waters right there.
Okay.
Oh, because Mom, there's this down here there's a straight right into the water. You're by the waterfall. And it's right where it's
Yeah. Don't carry it.
Huh? Lose your fucking attitude. That's fine. No, I'm not saying anything like that. I'm not saying it's too heavy for you to fucking carry. I'm saying that.
Okay, so I'm gonna go down these stairs.
Remember, Liam, there's a really steep boat.
Yeah, I know. Steep part's like right there and a little bit over there. Okay, so. This is amazing. Yep. Oh, dog. See, I made it down. Now that is amazing. I love formations like this. Yeah? What? Yeah, sure. I'm gonna go see what's over here. I found our first bottle. Now, if you made it to this part of the video, you're an absolute legend. Because I would have had the attention span of a spoon, but not for this. This is actually pretty cool. Oh, little pupper. Little pupper. Now. Wait 1 second, guys. This is quite cool. And look, there's a few caves over here. Water caves. Or like caverns or something. Oh yeah, sorry for the lack of uploads. I can't keep up with a schedule. Cause I don't have the attention span for that. And I literally, my body forgets. Body forgets, yep. Brain forgets. Oh, that's cool. That. Right there. That's nice. That's nice. Wait, I got water on my phone. 1 second, guys. There. Some foam from the water. It's starting to fly up onto my phone. Imagine getting stuck in that. That wouldn't be very ideal. Look at that golden water though. That actually looks cool, even though it's probably dirt, piss, and shit. But look at that. The landscape just keeps getting better and better. I swear the camera can see farther than I can. Oh, my worst enemy. Mosquitoes. Whoop, I'm putting my hood up. I ain't getting bit by no mosquitoes. I guess I have a beard now though. Oh. I'll stop. Friggin'. I think our trip ends here, guys. I'll try to talk with my family about it, see where we can go next. Maybe we could, no, we couldn't cross from there. Just look at all the damn rocks. But look, it's almost the end of the waterfall. This video is already 22 minutes long. Totally worth it. Now, if you've made it here, comment I did. And you better not cheat and just go skip through half the damn video.
I cannot hear you.
You can skip through the non-interesting parts, but yeah, I'm gonna talk to my family about where we're gonna go next. Man, that's beautiful. Never gone this far zoomed in. This is normal. This is the max I can go. That's such beauty. Yeah, and shout out to Dawson, my best friend. We're gonna go see him in a little bit after this. It's gonna be sweet. I can't wait. Looks like ancient ruins. Like it looks like this is like kind of like a floor. My damn Walmart shoes.
Hey guys, Mom wants to get a picture of us.
Okay.
She wants to steal all 4 of our souls.
Well, it's getting 25 minutes and that's quite a long video. Let's see who made it the farthest. Okay. I'm gonna try to end it on a nice clean number.
Alright, little Jay up here. Liam. Down here with me.
Okay?
No, you up to Jordan. Actually, Abby's taller than you.
Yeah.
Stand up there. No, Jordan. Attention. Needs to be paid here. Back this way. I'm trying to get this picture done so that you guys can go do your own thing, okay? So from here, stay on this rock.